In the previous lesson, you saw that when I tried to push my commits, I had to enter my GitHub credentials, my GitHub username and password. Now, we don't want to enter our credentials every time we want to do a push. That is too tedious and time-consuming. The good news is that we can store our credentials in memory or on disk and tell Git where to find it. All we have to do is to set a configuration value. So we type git config -- global. We set credential.helper to. If we set it to cache, Git will store our credentials for 15 minutes in memory. If this is not sufficient for you and you want to store your credentials permanently on disk, on Mac you have to use Keychain, and on Windows you have to use Windows Credential Store. These are both storages for storing sensitive data. So our credentials will get stored in an encrypted way. So if you're on Mac, first you have to find out if Keychain Helper is installed or not. So we type git credential-osx keychain. As you can see, Keychain Helper is installed on my machine. If it's not installed on your machine, you will see the instructions to install it. It's very easy. Once you install Keychain Helper, then you set git config -- global credential.helper to osx keychain. That's all you have to do. Now, if you're a Windows user, you have to install Git Credential Manager for Windows. So head over to github.com/Microsoft/Git Credential Manager for Windows. On this page, you can find an installer. It's right here. So download this and follow the instructions. Unfortunately, I don't have a Windows machine to show the process, but it should be very easy. You shouldn't have any problems.